Hi everybody, it's Claire. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I thought I would do my favorite makeup look of all time. This look is so me and I just feel so good in it and I really want to share it with you guys. I'm going to be showcasing this look using all COL-LAB makeup products. And I also want to announce that it is 20% off on all COL-LAB beauty products, and it's online and in store at Sally Beauty. So make sure you guys take advantage of the sale right now. Make sure to link everything in the description box below for you guys to check out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this makeup tutorial. So I love to prep my skin first before going in with all the face makeup. It makes it look so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Fundamental Hydrating Primer. I have dry skin, so this suits me really well, but we have other primers to accommodate all your skin needs. And what I do that as a game changer is add a little bit of the Filter Highlighting Liquid in Better Off Bold. I absolutely love this on my skin. It makes my skin look like it's just beaming, especially when I mix it with my hydrating primer, because I just think you can really change the way your skin looks by doing that. And who doesn't want some glowy looking skin? I want to go in with the Bright Spark foundation. This is great if you have dry skin. It's going to give a really nice radiant finish. We have a pump style foundation, so just really nice. You can really control the amount that you put down, and I'm in the shade Beige. So I'm just going to go ahead and work that in first with my fingertips. I like to just heat up the product a little bit first and place it down. And the Bright Spark foundation is a great medium to full coverage foundation if you're looking for something natural for every day, but you can layer it up a bit if you do want a more full coverage look. I like more of a full coverage look because I like to hide my blemishes, my acne scarring. I'm going to take our blending brush, which you can literally use for powder or liquid. I love this stuff. I just painted my eyebrows white. Don't do that. The next step is always so transforming, and this is the No Flaws Liquid Concealer, and I'm in the shade Beige Tan. I'm going to place that underneath the eyes and do a couple dashes down there. It's just going to help brighten and kind of just balance out the face. I absolutely love doing this step. I love the Dove Foot applicator with it. You just want to press it in for more coverage. But this really just doesn't settle into the fine lines and makes your skin look actually like skin. I do foundation first because I like to see what those two things cover on my skin before going in with spot concealer. So I think I am going to go in just a little bit right in here, but it did a good job covering most of my acne and my blemishes, which is what I love about this. I'm taking the No Flaws Cream Concealer. Wherever you see just some blemishes peeking through, shut them down. It's super creamy, it's full coverage, and you can really just kind of get that control by just twisting this up and directly applying it. Now I'm taking Kill the Shine Pressed Powder. It's one of my favorite powders, even though I do have dry skin. The reason is because it's buttery smooth and it's not going to take away from everything I just did. That'd be really annoying. So I just go ahead and take a small amount on my brush and I just kind of just hit the areas that are more likely to crease, around the mouth area and underneath the eyes especially. This just helps control this helps control the shine and also just set that makeup. Now I'm taking the Sun Obsession Sculpting Bronzer in the shade Intoxicating. It's not orange. It's just going to give a really beautiful carved out look to the cheekbones. You don't want to know where your makeup starts and finishes. I feel like that's like one of my favorite tips. You just want everything to be really blended and just take your time with it. You don't want to see where the edges stop. Now I'm taking the About the Pout Tinted Lip Balm in Nude Mood. I love this color. I'm not going to put it on my lips quite yet. I want to put it on my cheeks. I love using lip products on my cheeks. I think it looks so nice. So all I'm going to do is just smile, draw a couple lines, go on the apples of my cheeks, and then just push that in with your fingertips, and it gives this really dewy, hydrated, fresh look. I'm going to take the Shape and Shade Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade Warm Brown. This is a super skinny brow pencil that just lets you create whatever brow you want. I always appreciate a good spoolie on a wand. I do have to add a little bit to the bottom of this brow to get it to match the other guy. It takes some work, but I'm willing to do it. If you do little hair-like strokes, it really looks so realistic. I'm going to take the Fundamental Eyeshadow Primer. A lot of people ask me, is it worth doing a primer? If you get frustrated with your eyeshadow colors not showing up, it is so important to do some sort of prep underneath your eyeshadow. So yes, it does make a big difference because you don't want to do all this work on your eyeballs and then not be able to see what you do. I'm going to be using the Palette Pro eyeshadow palette. No surprise here. I'm obsessed with the Get Ready With Me palette. We have a really ongoing relationship. So what I like to do always is start with a crease color. So I'm going to go in with this really nice warm tan color. Take it on the fluffy brush and work that into my crease. So it goes side to side, and this just blurs out so nicely. I just love how this eyeshadow is really soft and easy to blend. There's nothing worse than eyeshadow that just drags along your eye. I'm also going to carry that color underneath my eye. This is like a security blanket move for me right here. I don't know why eyeshadow underneath my eye makes me feel better. Now with my pinky, I take the lightest shade in this bottom corner. And my pinky, I wish it was just a little bit smaller because it gets a little crowded up in here. It makes such an amazing inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight. Pinky is so big to do this. I love using my fingers for these eyeshadows. They're so creamy. I'm going to take this top left color, which is more of a gold tone, onto my lid. Just one swipe and it's super pigmented. Just press that on. This is why makeup is all over my laptop now. Now I'm going to mix this bronze tone and this plum together. And now I'm just going to push that on the outer edge. I pick up just a little bit of product to start building it up. I'd rather add and build rather than have it be too dark and try to backtrack. It also just really helps if you push the color in, it shows up more. The more you swipe, the more it starts to disperse. Now I'm taking the Bold Face liner, and it's a waterproof eyeliner in the shade Drama Queen. Just amazing black. You can tight line with it, you put in your waterline. It does not move, and it's super creamy, easy to apply. Now I'm just gonna line the top portion of my lashes with that just to thicken them up even more and give some definition. Taking another Bold Face liner, waterproof pencil in the shade Ego, one of my favorites because it has a little bit of like a copper to it. I'm gonna go inside the eye with this. And it'll stay put, especially if you're doing a more dramatic look. So for mascara, I'm going with the Love Your Curves Extreme Curl and Sculpt Mascara. I'm obsessed with this mascara. It is so amazing. It doesn't run. The wand is curved and also has this separating lash applicator. So like it really gets in there. It's no joke. Now we're almost done. I'm going to go back in with the Filter Highlighting Liquid in Better Off Bold. We started with this in the very beginning, which felt like probably ages ago. This is one of my favorite steps. Putting this on top of my cheekbones just makes me look so glowy. We also have this in a powder form if you don't want liquid or if you're oily but you still want that healthy shine. Our powders are really good in this too. But I just love the way that looks so much, and I'm going to probably add more because I'm so obsessed with it. Now I'm going with the Line Defined Lip Pencil in Burnt Up, and it's this beautiful warm tone color that is super long wearing. These are great because they don't drag on your lips and they just really help go in before your lipstick. You can really even just wear these on their own. It's so nice. I like to fill my lip in all the way first with this. Then I'm going back in with About the Pout. This is the Nude Mood shade that I used on my cheeks earlier. This is like my everyday lip combo you're seeing right here. I want a little bit of shine, so I'm taking Glow with the Flow Lip Shine in Easy Glowing, and this has gold glitter in it. Really complements any lip combo you're doing. And the flecks of gold make your lips pop. So it's so much more than just a regular clear lip gloss. If I had to choose one look to do every single day, this would be my go-to makeup look using all COL-LAB makeup products. Take advantage of the discount now. It's 20% off all COL-LAB makeup products in Sally Beauty Supply stores and online. It's so exciting to be a part of this project. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Make sure you're following us on all our socials to stay updated on the latest products. There's so much more to come this year. It's super exciting. We're revving up and so excited to bring you some new stuff. So you guys saw my favorites here. I hope you all enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Happy to answer them for you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.